Hey Shizu, do you have room under the umbrella for me? Of course I do. What do you mean? You gonna let you get rained on for me? Nah, listen. I will take care of you, okay? I'm gonna be that cute boy that walks in the rain with you, chat. I'm gonna hold your arm and like be really close to you. Make sure you're nice and cozy with me under the umbrella. I would not just let you walk in the rain and get all wet, you silly boy. Is this short? What do you mean? Then hold me then. Put me on your shoulder like a parrot. Let me be on your shoulder like a parrot then. Be your little parrot femboy.